I find certain felony cases to be interesting, certain misdemeanor cases to be interesting. I find all DWI cases to be very puzzling because I can't, in my wildest imagination, even imagine someone getting behind the wheel of a car with the intention to drive, knowing that they've had more than enough alcoholic beverages that would impair their judgment or their ability just to turn on the ignition switch. But I do have a job to do, and that is to defend and fully represent my client to the best of my ability for their the best result that they could possibly get. And that includes DWIs, speeding tickets, misdemeanors, felonies. Of course, DWIs can be either misdemeanors or felonies also. But it's probably the single most difficult prospect that a litigation attorney needs to remember, that they have to put their personal feelings aside. They're not there for themselves, they're there for their client, and therefore they need to take that professional attitude and concept, and it's the only way I think that they can properly defend their client. And if they have problems doing that, there's probably a different area of law that they might be better suited for. I believe that since DWI is a crime, it falls into the same bucket as all other crimes. Why do people hurt people, whether it be premeditated or an accident? Why do people act foolishly? It's always going to happen. People don't think sometimes. People become more brave than they should be, and I use brave with quotations around it, of course. And unfortunately, all the public service announcements that we see on television hopefully do decrease all different types of crimes, but I don't believe you're ever going to be able to eliminate it, only because of human nature and the irresponsibility that lies with many people, not all, but many people, in their actions.